How to edit your reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. If you're trying to adjust a few settings or add in a few things to your reels only on your Instagram, let me show you a quick way of doing it. Firstly, tap on the plus icon and choose the reels option. From this section, either you can take a reel straight away or tap on the plus on the bottom left and choose the reel that you want to edit or post. Tap on the video and tap on add. Tap on next. Now once the reel has been added, you'll see this interface. Now on the top, you'll see a couple of options. If you tap on the first option, which is music, you'd be able to add in different kinds of songs or music that are available on Instagram. To add it, just tap on the music and tap on done. This way the music will be added to your reel. Other than this, you can also add in text, so you can type in anything and change in the font. After that, you can also add in different kind of stickers where you can add in locations or you can add in different kinds of polls to your reel. If you tap on search, you can also find different kind of stickers that you can add in. And you can also tap on this icon on the top to change in the filters. Tap on any of the filters and the filter will be added to your reel and the interface will be changed. So within the app of Instagram, there is minimal edit that you can do, but other than this, you can use any other mobile editing applications such as CapCut. When you finish editing the reel, you can tap on next on the bottom right and post this reel to your profile. So that's the process on how to edit reels on Instagram. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.